Sandcastle hassle.
I say we make a castle with one really, really huge tower.
And maybe it could have a big wall that goes all around it. Hey, Clifford, Jorge, are you guys excited about the big sandcastle contest too? Oh.
It's gonna be lots of fun.
Save some energy for the beach, Clifford.
This is our stop. Ooh, that looks like the perfect spot. Come on, Emily Elizabeth.
Oh, can you believe it, Jorge? We're gonna build a sandcastle.
I know, and Nina says it's lots of fun. Come on.
Nina was right. This is lots of fun. Oh, hi there. My name is Clifford, and this is my friend Jorge. What's your name?
The name's Jack.
Hi, Jack. You want to play with us?
Sorry, I'm busy. Maybe you haven't heard, but there's a contest going on.
Oh, we know that.
Well, my owners, Mitch and Alex, are gonna win it.
Wow, they sure must be good sandcastle builders.
They are, and they're definitely better at making sandcastles than your owners.
Whoa, wait a second, Jack. How do you know your owners are better than our owners?
Trust me, I know.
Oh, really? Well...
Okay, kids, it's time to start the big sandcastle build-off. Now remember, each team has to stay in their area. Okay, everybody ready? Set, start building!
Like I was saying, Emily, Elizabeth, and Nina are gonna win because...
Hey, well, where'd he go?
Come on, Clifford. We've got to help Emily, Elizabeth, and Nina win.
Right. Clifford, there you are.
Jorge, what are you and Clifford doing?
All right, we've got to fill these buckets. You dig, and I'll catch.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Hey! Jorge, how's it going back there?
Come on, Clifford. There's no time for laughing and having fun.
Oh, you're right. We've got to be serious if we're going to help Emily, Elizabeth, and Nina win.
Ready. Okay, let's get this sand back.
Thanks, Clifford.
Wow. Jorge and Clifford, I'm really impressed by how much you two want to help.
You must be having as much fun as we are. Come on, Nina. Let's fill our buckets with water. Oh, Emily, Elizabeth, and Nina just have to win this contest.
Hey, what's Jack doing now?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Haven't your owners given up yet?
No way.
Our owners know lots more about making a sandcastle than your owners.
Right. So, what's this hole you're digging?
It's a little something that's gonna make my owner's castle extra special. A moat.
Of course. What's a moat?
It's a big hole that goes all around a castle and gets filled with water. It's supposed to keep dogs like you away.
Emily, Elizabeth, and Nina need to have a moat, too.
You bet. We can't let Jack's castle be better than ours.
Okay, there's 2 of us and only 1 of Jack. That means we can dig twice as fast as he can.
Right. You dig that way, and I'll dig this way. We'll meet on the other side.
Clifford, where are you?
I'm over here.
Oh, I think we missed each other.
Uh-oh. Well, I guess I'll dig towards you and...
And I'll dig towards you.
We did it! We did it!
Now Emily, Elizabeth, and Nina have their very own moat.
Good work, Jack. That's a great moat. Do you want to help some more? Okay. Why don't you go find seashells that we can put on our castle for decorations?
Wow, look, Nina. I think our puppies dug a moat around the castle.
And it sure is an interesting shape for a moat.
Thanks, Jorge, and
What has gotten into our dogs?
I'm not sure.
Clifford, look how many I found.
Oh, good work, Jorge. But I think we need more if Emily, Elizabeth, and Nina are gonna win.
Clifford, come here.
What is it, Jorge?
Look, over there.
Wow, that must be the greatest seashell ever. But it's not on our side of the beach. It's on Jack's side. Huh?
I know we're not allowed over there, but Emily, Elizabeth, and Nina have to have that seashell.
We saw him first!
And Emily, Elizabeth, and Nina are gonna use this shell to win!
No way! My owners are gonna win!
Excuse me, are those your dogs?
Clifford!
Jorge! Clifford, Jorge, what are you doing?
It's not like you two to fight with another dog. You know better than that. You'd think the only thing they care about is winning. You know, we had a lot more fun before we decided we had to win.
You're right, Clifford. Only caring about winning isn't very fun at all.
So, what do you say we go back to just having fun?
I'm right behind you, amigo.
Okay, everyone, stop building your sandcastles. The contest is over. The judges have picked the winner. And the winner is Marilyn and Abby Lewis.
Yay! Yay, we won! Congratulations, everyone! Hey, Jack, you want to come play with me and Jorge?
How come you're so happy? Your owners didn't win the contest either.
Oh, we know, but we figured it didn't matter if we won.
Right. We decided that the most important thing is that we just have fun. That way, we'd have a good time no matter what happened.
Come on, you'll see.
Okay, Jack, get ready to catch some sand. I got it! Clifford! Jorge! Time to leave!
Oh, we've got to go, Jack.
Yeah, but maybe we'll see you again at next year's contest.
Yeah, okay. It'll be fun.
So, Emily Elizabeth, do you think Clifford and Jorge had fun today?
Yes, I think they had Clifford! Where are you, boy? Want to read a story, Clifford? Okay, pick one out. Thanks, Clifford. This looks like a great story. Today's story is Speckle and the Vacation for Everyone. When Speckle returned from his vacation, he invited all of his friends to his house to see a movie he'd made just for them. They watched Speckle play on a sandy beach where he found a fabulous seashell that he brought back for Reba. And when he learned how to dance on a tropical island, he saved the flower necklace for Luna. They saw Speckle explore a deep green forest and pick up a pine cone just for Ravi. Then climbed to the very top of a mountain where he spotted a sparkling stone, perfect for Darnell's collection. Seeing the wonderful sights and having their very own souvenirs, Reba, Ravi, Luna, and Darnell felt like they had been on Speckle's vacation too, and they'd all had a wonderful time. The end. I love reading stories together. You know, Clifford, for such a small dog, you sure are a big reader. School days. Silly socks. There.
Emily Elizabeth, Nina's here. Hurry! You don't want to be late for the first day of school.
Be right there, Mom. Okay, now all I need is my notebook. And my shoes. And I'm ready.
Emily Elizabeth, my planner says we need to leave by 8, and it's already 8:03, and oh my gosh, what's on your feet?
Oops.
Bye, Jorge. You be good.
Bye, Daffodil. Bye, Clifford. I'll see you this afternoon. Aww. Don't worry, Clifford. We'll play after school. After all, that's my favorite part of the day.
Oh, I'm sure gonna miss Emily Elizabeth. Summer's over, and now she'll be in school all day.
But Emily Elizabeth loves going to school. You wouldn't want her to miss out on that, would you?
Oh, no. School sounds really fun. I wish I could go to school, too.
Well, why can't you, little Red? All you need for school are students and a teacher. And I don't think you're going to have to look very far for that teacher.
You're going to be the teacher? What are you going to teach?
Oh, well, I think I might start with a little thing called bird calls. For instance... well, now that is called the yellow-bellied Hawaiian sneezer.
Oh, that sounds great, Norville. Hey, Flo, Zoe, we're gonna make a school. You want to join?
Sure. Now, what should we teach, Zoe? Pouncing or bouncing?
Well, pouncing sounds harder. But really, bouncing is tougher.
We better start with pouncing.
Ooh, and I can teach digging. I'm an expert on dirt.
Then I suppose it's left up to me to teach good manners. Of course, who else is there?
But if you're all gonna be the teachers, who's gonna be the students?
Well, I'm certainly not going to learn digging. Do you know how hard it is to keep a white coat clean?
And I'm not big on bird calls. I mean, the only bird I ever call is Norville, and he's here all the time anyway.
We don't need any lessons in good manners.
Yeah. When would we use them?
You know, Pup, I'm thinking you might be the only student, which is a very good thing because you'll get all the attention.
Okay. Sure. Great. So, who's gonna teach me first?
Okay. Now, it is time to begin our first lesson in bird calls.
Oh, boy. Are you going to teach me that yellow-belly sneezer one?
That what? Oh, no. We're going to start with something very simple. You know, like the owl.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy. An owl.
Yeah, now in order to sound like an owl, you have to think like an owl. As a matter of fact, you gotta look like an owl, so put your shoulders back, scrunch up your neck, open your eyes really big, and go, whoo.
Who?
Who what?
Who? Just, who? Like an owl.
Oh, that's your owl. Oh, good. That's very, very good, little Red. Only you need to be louder if you want a real owl to hear you. But don't worry, because I am a great whoo teacher. See, there is no bird in this world with more hooey in them than me.
Hey, Clifford, come on!
It's time for your pouncing lesson.
I'll be back soon, Norville. Thanks.
Okay, Clifford, now what you want to do is pounce on the ball without making it jingle.
You show 'em, Flo.
Okay, you put your head down, your bottom up, then you step 1, 2, 3, and pounce!
See? No jingle. Now you try it, Clifford. You put your head down, your bottom up, and step 1, 2, 3, and pounce!
Not bad for your first try.
You just need some practice.
Oh, Clifford, I'm ready for your good manners lesson, and it's not polite to keep someone waiting.
Oh, guys, I gotta go. Coming, Daffodil! Hey, it's Fred.
Uh-huh. But today, we're not going to play with him. We're going to use him to learn good manners. Okay, now let's pretend this is the first time you're meeting Fred. What do you say?
Hey there.
No, you say, how do you do?
How do you do?
No. Oh, no. You have to say it with a slight bow of your head.
How do you do?
No, you can't knock him over. But in case you do, you say...
Uh-oh?
No, you say, I beg your pardon. Really, Clifford, hasn't living with me taught you anything?
The rabbits eat a lot of carrots?
Hey, Clifford! Over here, buddy. It's time to dig some dirt.
Sorry, Daffodil. It's not good manners to keep Jorge waiting.
Well, at least he learned something.
Okay, Jorge. I'm all yours.
Great. Now, the most important thing to remember about digging a hole is you have to fill it back up so nobody falls in it. You got it?
Got it.
Then let's get you digging. Ready, set, go. That's it, Clifford. Really use those front paws. Nice and steady. Okay, stop. Good job, pal. Now what do we do, Clifford?
We fill it back up.
Right. You do that while I go find us something to bury.
Excuse me, Pup. We gotta get back to hooing over here. You know, use it or lose it, buddy.
Okay, Norville.
Okay, shoulders back, neck scrunched, eyes big, and...
Come on, Clifford. You need to practice your pouncing.
He is busy hooing.
He's been hooing his head off. Let's go, Clifford.
I'll be right back, Norville.
How do you do?
You say...
I mean, you have to try it again, Clifford.
I beg your pardon?
No, not that polite stuff. Pouncing.
Excuse me, but Clifford is having a good manners lesson now.
Huh? Clifford, what did I tell you about holes? If you dig one, you gotta fill it back up.
How do you do?
Clifford, I can't hear you hooing.
We'll never get to bouncing if you don't work on pouncing.
1, 2, 3, bounce!
Clifford, you left Fred lying here on his back.
I beg your pardon. I beg your...
See, this is the kind of thing I'm talking about.
Okay, pup.
Excuse me, Clifford.
And with the hole until the hole is full.
I've got to pounce. How do you do? I've got to fill up. I've got to take a break.
Yeah, well, I guess school is out for the day.
Clifford! Hey, sleepyhead. I'm home. Want to play ball? Or sock spider?
I think Clifford just wants to take a nap.
Well, come on, little guy. You can sleep on my lap while I do my homework.
Gee, Clifford's too tired to play with Emily Elizabeth.
And that's his favorite part of the day.
It's all our fault. We made him work too hard at school.
We didn't take turns teaching.
Sure, now he probably doesn't even like school.
It's true. We made Clifford's first day of school a real mess. But I'll bet we can make his second day a lot better. Here's what I'm thinking. Good morning, Clifford. Ready for another day at school?
Oh, right. School.
Come right up here, my little red friend.
Huh? Hey, what's going on? Isn't it time for school?
Yes. I mean, no, but I mean yes, because it's time for school, but it's a brand new kind of school.
One where everybody is a student.
And everyone gets a turn to be the teacher, too.
See, we were kind of hoping you might start off by teaching us some of your beanbag ball tricks.
Oh, I sure would. Let's go. Okay, now this is what you gotta do. Over here, then over here. That's good. That's good. Okay. That was a great game.
Whoa. What are we gonna do?
Sometimes a job can look so big it seems almost impossible to do. But Clifford and I know that no job is too big when everyone works together. I have a big idea. I'll bet if we all pitch in and work together, we can clean this up in no time. When everyone works together, big jobs can turn out to be really small. That's why Clifford's idea to grow on for today is work together. And guess what? Now we have time for another game of tag.